flying crew onder uw aandacht. Mocht u interesse hebben, dan kunt u zich aanmelden of niet op registeren op iedere website KLM.com. Mocht u nog vragen of opmerkingen hebben, dan kunt u bellen 24 uur per dag bereiken via social media. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will use the boxes, seatbelts are always reached off. However, we do recommend you first seatbelt boxes whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the luggage transition to help us escape without unexpectedly. We would like to draw your attention to the benefits of being a member of our aircraft scale and flying through frequent flyer program. If you are interested, you can sign up during